6,441 miles on a 2020 Softail Standard. It's got that classic bobber style, one-up riding. This one is bone stock. 1,400 miles, I guess they didn't have enough time to do anything to it. But it's no slouch for stock. It's got the Milwaukee 8 107 in it, 6-speed transmission. It's got the standard LED headlight, the cool little halo around it. And it's a sweet bike. And this one, I can't find anything wrong with it. It's in wonderful condition. So if you're looking for a starter Softail, this is a great one to graduate from a Sportster up to if you're looking to go a little bit bigger. And it's definitely got the power. It's a lot of fun to ride. So come on in, check it out.